Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
As of now I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection. We connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course we will not give up.
In order to reach and detect the defective part of our device, we first disassemble the device. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them.
Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. First of all, we should have WD-40 or 404 or a contact cleaner and lubricant you trust in this repair process. We used this spray when repairing the mouse keys and scroll wheel. And it was a very easy fix. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. All of our expert staff are waiting for your questions about your tablet, phone, computer and all your electronic devices and are looking forward to answering them. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
After squeezing our contact cleaner lubricant, We clean the defective buttons with a soft toothbrush and press the button so that the oxide cleaner enters the button. We reassemble our device to try whether our device is repaired, and we see the result with you. As of now, I am trying to turn on the device. First of all, we made the electrical connection. We connected with the adapter, and when we press the power button of the device, it still does not turn on. Of course, we will not give up.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.